Pero to you, Doc Matt, as a doctor of psychology and yung dito sa aspeto na to, when it comes to really making people understand, siguro in simpler terms, like for example, ako, na walang alam talaga about this, how would you make me understand or define sa akin ano yung a person under this spectrum?
Pag ganyan, it would just be as simple as stating it's a neurofunction.
It's really more of cognitive.
Yes, kung paano gumagana yung utak ng tao. Kasi yun yung functioning eh. May utak siya, may utak ako, may utak tayo. Pero magkakaibang paraan ng paggana ng utak natin. Sa kanila, lalong iba.